Welcome to Marty Custom Upholstery, guys. Let's get into it. We outside like every day. All my subscribers, please continue to like and share the video. Upholstery is not all about just cover a chair, seat, and a back. Today I'm going to get you into the real custom life of upholstery. See? This fabric that I'm using today, it's a geometric fabric featuring a diamond lattice design. Because the pattern is bold and very noticeable, I have to carefully center and align it on both seat and back. All right? If the pattern is off, the customer eyes can catch it right away. So you have to know what you're doing. You have to be very careful. All right? Taking the time to match the design properly is what gives it a finished and clean professional iron look. All right, so I'm gonna get into it. Just stick with me because we have some nuance about this chair and how it fits. Right, so as you can see, this is already centered and everything. So now I'm gonna start doing the stable. You have to check for it if it have any indent. You have to be very smooth. So now I go into the back. You want to keep it clean because it's a drop-in. It's a drop-in, so you want to keep it clean. Take a little away from the side right there. So now I'm gonna do the side. You rub it like this. Check for any indent and make sure it's smooth enough. So I'm gonna do a kiss pleat at the front. The way I do it, it already creates the pleat, so I can just pull and staple. So it's finished, and now it's just dust covered, right? But the most important part is the back. You have to stay tuned and watch the way I do the back. The back is very important, right? The dust cover is next, but I'm gonna make sure, fit the seat and make sure it fit properly. So it drop in perfect, all right? Perfect. So I'm just gonna jump on the back right now because it's you have to push it in, you have to keep it clean on the side, all right? This is the part that carry the nuance that I was telling you guys about. It's a Robinson right here. So you're gonna want to add that on both surface. The glue on both surface. You're gonna want to keep it clean because it's a drop-in, right? With this, it's a bit different. I have to do the back first. The way it is designed, I have to do the back first. So this is the top and this is the bottom. Always mark your fabric, all right? I have my center. So first I'm gonna catch my center, right? You want to keep the diamond straight. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of tension there. Then I'm gonna add a little tension here also. Center, center. Then a little bit of stretch. Little bit of stretch. Little bit of stretch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top. We have to keep it clean also because it's a drop in. You can see the way I finished those over there. Fold it on the top. Fold it on the top. Now I'm gonna do the front, right? What you can do, so this is 15. The half of 15 is 7.5, right? So I mark right there 7.5, right there. Already have this centered, right? And I also have this centered right here. But I'm gonna make sure put my tape on it again to make sure it's the right thing. Put a little tension to it. And then you pull up. Catch that first there. Hit that first. And if you're not sure, what you can do, you can go ahead and make sure straight. Then I'm gonna apply a little tension all the way down. Tension all the way up. We do it on both sides. Tension all the way down. And I'm putting stretch to it, so you know you have to have tension. That means you don't have any crease when you finish. Now I can go ahead and staple. Right? You're gonna want to keep the bottom clean also. Right? You're gonna want to keep the top clean, as I said. Drop in. It's summer in Toronto and it's very hot right now. So this is where the nuance come in, guys. All right, so I'm gonna have to put I'm gonna mark the strip that I'm gonna put on top. 11 inches. So 5.5. And this is 7.5 right here. now I'm going to go ahead and drop the tube. So now, finally 15, right? Then you're going to want to move back this right here and add screw to the back so it holds properly. The back carries 3 screws. Now I'm gonna put stretch. Hold this right here. Hold this. Now I'm gonna apply stretch to the back and stay right there. Then I'm gonna use my knife to make a clean cut right there. I don't want to leave the raw edge of the material hanging, so I'm just gonna put a cardboard strip right here. Of course, it's the bottom, right? So drop in, perfect. So now it's finished and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure like and sub to the channel, all right? And follow up for more. Hit the bell so you can get notified, all right?